Hi, in this video, I will show you on how to send text behind image in Canva. So I have this text and there is this image. Right now, the text is positioned on top of the image. So basically, the text is blocking the image. But what if you want to put the text behind the image? Well, it's pretty simple. First, you have to right click on the text box and then you want to go to layer and you can either send backward or send to back. So send to back is basically send to the very back of layers in your document, but usually send backward is just enough to just give it a try to send the object to a lower layer level to see which one is actually going to be enough. So I'm going to do that, and in this case one click is enough, but this is the result, and I don't think this is exactly good because now we cannot see the text at all. So sometimes it is a great idea to make the background of the image to be transparent. Fortunately, Canva do have the feature for it. First, you have to click on the image and then click background remover right here. This is the new AI feature that allows you to remove background from the object, and this is the result that we got. I still cannot see the text, but this is actually one example of a design that many people use. It's just enough for people to see the context of the text so they know what is the actual text behind it, even though right now part of it is being blocked by this image. But there is something unique about this design, and that's why many people are using it to their marketing campaign or to their design. So this is, I think, pretty good. So that's exactly how you can put a text behind an image in Canva.